guys, so today I'm in my PJ shirt because I'm currently developing a self-tan. So that's why I'm not matching very well. My self-tan is getting darker and my face is staying the same. So I'm like, hold on. But yeah, I'm wearing a PJ shirt, hope you don't mind. But a lot of you asked for this makeup tutorial in my last video. One of my last videos, it was the Sephora VIB sale recommendations. A lot of you really love this look. I love this look. It's using one of my favorite palettes, which is the Smashbox Shape Matters palette. And yeah, I just wanted to film this for you guys because I really love it. I love the way that it turned out. It's really easy. It's a classic look you can use for the holidays. Something really smoky, sexy. Then again, you can use it year-round. But if you pop a red lip on and have this makeup look, actually it's like a holiday on your face. Is that weird? So feel free to change up the lip color. I just did a nude one because this is the one that I did in my last video that you guys saw this in. So I just wanted to stick with what I had on in that video. And I really quickly want to let you guys know that I had the awesome opportunity to work with Sephora and create a video for them on their website, which is insane because I'm on Sephora all the time. I have been for years, and I'm like, what? That's my face. That's my face. So I was able to talk about one of my favorite new products lately and like give you all the details about it. And it's the Origins Original Skin Serum. I'm so excited to have that video up on their site because I've been using it for such a long time. Haven't been able to tell you guys about it yet, but it's finally up there and I'm just so excited. It's been a part of my nighttime routine for a couple months now. It's been a while. It's been a while since I filmed that video, so I'm really excited. I love this product and I can't wait for you guys to check it out. So if you want to see my video on Sephora, there's a link to it in the description box below. You can click it and go check it out. I just think it's so cool that I was able to work with Sephora. I'll never get over it. I'll never get over it. Thank you guys so much. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thank you for the love on that last video where I had this makeup look. It's one of my favorites. Feel free to share it and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to check out more videos of mine. And again, sorry for the casual attire. So if you want to see how to get this makeup look, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so starting off with a clean face, I'm going to go ahead and just put some tape on the outer corners because this helps my eyeshadow so much. It just makes it so nice and sharp, and it's just a lifesaver. So I'm going to take the lightest vanilla shade in the palette, and I'm going to put this all over my lid. This is just going to give us a nice base for all the rest of the colors and help everything blend really easily. Then I'm going to take this bronzer right here. It's just a nice warm brown, and I'm going to put this into the crease with this Bare Minerals brush. I'm obsessed with this brush. It is so good. I've just been trying all the brushes they sent me, and like as I go on, I find little ones that I just love. And this crease brush is phenomenal. So definitely check it out if you're wanting to splurge on a crease brush. Then I'm going to take this darker brown and I'm going to put this in the outer corner, and I'm not going to go further than halfway in, and I am going to build this color up. I want it to be dark, but I'm going to also put a black on so it doesn't have to be too intense. This just adds a lot of depth in the look, and it really helps the black and the lighter color we're going to put on the lid blend together. So again, don't take this further than halfway, and you just want to focus this on the outer corner, and you just want to build this up to a medium brown shade. And this is a really dark brown, so just be careful. Light hands work best. And then I'm going to take this black and use a pencil brush so I can precisely put this in the outer corner. And I'm just going to do like a little triangle shape. I'm not going to go further than I did with that brown. I'm just going to keep it right there in the outer V. And this adds so much depth, and it just really amps up the look. So I highly recommend doing this because it makes such a difference. So then I'm going to take that brush again we used with the brown and just blend this out. This has no additional product on it. I'm just using the brush that we used and blending everything out. This is all about blending, and I did this a couple times to really make sure I got the color I wanted and the depth I wanted as well. Then I'm going with that medium brown shade and once again putting this into the crease, and this is just going to blend everything out once again. And then we're going in with this gorgeous shade right here, and this is what we're going to use all over the lid. You put this all the way from the inner corner and all the way to that brown that we put on. Don't be afraid to go a little bit over the brown because we are going to blend it out seamlessly, so it's okay if you do. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm taking it a little bit over that halfway mark into that brown and just really putting this all over the entire lid. This color is so beautiful. It's so pigmented. I just am obsessed with it. And then I'm going to take that brush once again with no product on it and blend out the edges of that lighter shade that we put on, just so everything kind of flows together. Then I'm going back in with that black and I'm going to touch it up because I do want this to be a pretty deep look, so I want to make sure the outer corners are really nice and deep. So going back in with that black, and then I'm going to blend out once again with that brown color. I did put some color on this brush just to help blend out that black, and then we're all set to move on to the next part, which is liquid liner. I love a winged liner, and this Makeup Forever liner, I've been using it for a while now. It's just so good. So this is what I'm using to create that winged liner. It just creates a nice sharp line, and I feel like a winged liner just really goes with this look really well. You don't have to do it, but I love me a winged liner, so I did that today. Then I'm going to put on lashes. I actually put on Cocoa Lashes and Goddess, not the ones I showed you guys. I changed my mind, and I'm glad I did. And I'm using the two Smashbox primers that I love, and then the Cover FX drops with this Bare Minerals brush. PSA announcement, I know this looks really crazy right now. Don't freak out in the comments. It's okay, I promise. We saw how I looked in the beginning, right? I looked right. I looked normal. I know this color is very scary at first. I was super scared at first, but once I blended it into my skin really, really well and added concealer, everything was fine in my makeup world. So don't worry. It is a little bit lighter than my chest because my chest is developing a self-tan, so don't mind that. But you know what? It's okay. This turned out really nicely. I like it. So I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked Skin. I've been using this underneath my eyes lately, and I'm going to blend it out with this Tarte brush that I got in a set that I recently showed you guys. And I just love this brush to blend out concealer. It's been my new favorite right now, and this Urban Decay concealer has been my favorite underneath my eyes too. I just think it looks really gorgeous, especially with this Cover FX foundation. I think the combo is amazing. Then I'm going to take that Smashbox palette and use a banana shade in it to set all of that concealer that I just put on. So underneath my eyes and in the center of my face. Then I'm going to take a bronzer with this Tarte Bamboo brush, and I'm going to put this on the tops of my forehead to make it look a little bit smaller, and then also on my cheeks as well. Then I'm going to take the ashier tone in here, and I'm going to use it to contour. I am using a Makeup Geek brush. I have been reaching for this a lot more than my NARS Ita brush, so I'm just saying, that's an amazing brush. I'll leave a link for it down below and a coupon code if you guys want to check it out. Then I'm going to take this gorgeous NARS Stephen Klein palette with that blush I just showed you guys and put this on my cheeks. This color is beautiful. I love it so much. And then I'm going to blend it out with a Duo fiber brush to make sure it's not too harsh. Then I'm going to take the glow shade in the Smashbox palette, and I'm going to use this as my highlighter. This highlighter is absolutely amazing, guys. I know I said it in my last video, but some highlighters and palettes just really suck. But this one is phenomenal. 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 Like, I love it. Can I say phenomenal enough? I'm trying to come up with other words to use other than obsessed, you know? So then I've filled in my brows, and I'm going to take that glow shade one more time and put this underneath my brows to highlight, and this looked so pretty. Oh my gosh, if you saw it in person, you'd be like, yes, I love it. Then I'm going to take that black with a flat definer brush from Sigma, and I'm going to push this underneath my lower lashes, and this is going to really smoke this out. This black is so intense and pigmented, but it blends really, really well, so it's perfect to use underneath that lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that darker brown once again and take a pencil brush. The ones by MAC are my absolute favorite. I feel like they blend out everything just beautifully. And I'm going to blend out that black. I'm not going to drag it down too much, but I am going to drag it down just a little bit to blend it out really nicely so it doesn't look too harsh underneath the eyes. And then I am going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. I use this NARS Audacious mascara. I don't know. I got it in a set from them, and I am obsessed with this mascara. Oh my gosh, it's so black. Can you tell? It is so black. I love it. Then I'm going to take this Palladio lip liner. I know you guys tell me how to say it all the time, but I totally forget. I'll have the name of it in the description box below. Then I'm going to take this Ciate. Wow, I can't pronounce any of these. And this is in Swoon. I'm going to put this on my lips first. I really love this color. Again, you can switch out this lip color for a red and make it great and make this a great look for a holiday party. Then I'm going to take this Buxom Lip Foundation in Nude, and I'm putting this directly in the center of my lips just to add a little bit more dimension to the lips and to this look as well. And then you are done with this makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.